Hi, I'm Sarah with Sarah's Accessory Styling, and I am so excited to share with you Premier's hand-stamped collection. It launched just a few months ago, and I had the opportunity to place my order. I am so excited to walk you guys through that process and show you how beautifully these pieces are going to tie in with your everyday jewelry and even elevate your style. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to head up to Shop Now and select Personalized Jewelry. Now, the jewelry that's here will be both the Engravable Collection and the hand-stamped collection, and I will make sure to link the video I did about the Engravable Collection below. But today we're going to focus on the hand-stamped pieces. I have decided that in my necklace I want 2 hand-stamped charms. And first I'm going to start with the hand-stamped disc in silver. I love the way this disc is a beautiful matte silver, and you may just want to add it to your bag just as it is for a very simple and elegant look. But because I want to create a very personalized necklace for me as a mom of my 2 boys, I am going to select personalize. So now for the silver disc, you can use a max of 4 characters, and I have decided to use the word love. So I've typed love into the character box, and that's the most characters that I can use. And you can see the way it takes up almost the whole disc. You can choose to use uppercase or lowercase letters. I've chosen the uppercase, and you can choose your font. So I am going to check out these other styles to see what they look like. That's the Bradley, and here's chalkboard. And for this one, I think I like the first one, the American typewriter, best. I'm going to keep the text centered, and then I'm going to go ahead and finish and review. So I'm going to check the box that my design is correct on my order. I understand that it can't be returned or exchanged unless there is a manufacturer's defect. I'm going to add it. I'm going to check up here, and I see that it's been added to my bag. So I'm going to go back to Shop Now and to Personalized Jewelry to select my second charm for my personalized hand-stamped necklace. Now, I really like the mixed metal look, so I'm going to go ahead, and for the bar, I am going to select the gold bar. Now, again, this is a great, simple piece that you can add just as it is without any personalization, and you can add it to your bag just as is. But that personalization is included in that $28. So I'm going to go ahead and personalize it. Now this one, I can choose my layout. I can do a horizontal layout or a vertical layout. Horizontal, I can do up to 8 characters, and the vertical, I can do 5 characters. So for the piece that I have envisioned in my head, I'm going to go ahead and do the horizontal layout, and my message is going to be Mom, M-O-M. There we go. I have the other piece with the American typewriter font. For this one, I think I like the Bradley hand font. This one, I am also going to align the text to the right-hand side. And the reason I want to do that is that once the pieces arrive and I put the 2 charms on the same chain, I want you to be able to read both the love and the mom. So I think that putting it at the bottom of the gold bar will allow for you to see both love and mom when they're hanging together. So now I'm going to finish and review. So here's my chance again. My design is correct on my order. I understand this item cannot be returned or exchanged, and I'm going to go ahead and add it to my bag. So now here's the chance I get to add all of the other little charms and pieces that I want to add. So I'm going to go back to Shop Now and go to Personalized Jewelry again, because I know that I want to add 2 of the birthstone charms. Both of my children, both boys, are born in March and April. And to keep with that mixed metal look, I'm going to do the March birthstone in silver and add that to my bag. And I'm going to go back to hand stamped. I'm going to use this little shortcut right here. And I'm going to go ahead and select the April birthstone in silver as well. And I'm going to add that to my bag. So now the last thing I need is a chain. So I am going to look to see. So here is the silver bead ball chain. And I've got 3 silver charms and 1 gold charm. So I think I'm going to do a gold necklace. So I'm going to use the search bar up here for a bead ball chain, and I'm going to click search. So the bead ball chain is the one I'm going to go with, and I'm going to do it in gold just to keep up with that mixed metal look so that my 1 gold bar won't look totally out of place. And I'm going to add that to my bag. All right, so now I've got all of my pieces added. I can see I've got all 5 pieces up there. So I am going to get ready to check out. But before I do that, I'm going to click View My Shopping Bag to make sure that everything is exactly the way I want it. I have the chance to preview my love charm. There it is. Preview my hand-stamped bar with Mom. There it is. I've got the birthstone for March and April, and then the bead ball chain in gold. Now we're ready to check out. So now here's the chance I have to fill out all of the information. Direct shipping is great. It's $7 when you're shopping just on your own for any event. It's so great that the jewelry comes directly to you. And you can always choose to add a gift wrap. For $5, you can gift wrap any of your orders to be sent directly to your special someone. And it could be for whatever reason, for Mother's Day, for Father's Day. We have some great men's jewelry, birthdays, anniversaries, or even just because. And they put everything in a white organza bag, and you can add a personal message on our beautiful 3x3-inch cards. It will arrive directly at their doorstep. So it's a perfect way of putting that finishing touch on your gift to someone special, and Premier will take care of all of the hard work for you. The last thing I'm going to do is just go through and make sure that my order is correct. So I've got all of my pieces here, and you can see down here, it hasn't added the shipping and handling yet, but it will be that $7 for direct shipping. And so that'll bring my total up to $105 before tax. Now, I want to just remind you guys, you can always become a GEM member if you're not already and save 20% on your order. So instead of being a $98 order plus $7 shipping, which would put us at $105, you will instead pay $78.40 without any shipping, because all orders over $75 receive free direct shipping. So you'd save 20% on your jewelry, free shipping, so it would be $78.40 plus tax instead of $98 plus the $7 shipping to $105 plus tax. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a no-brainer. Becoming a GEM member is going to help you save for the next 12 months. It's a great deal, and I'm happy to share more with you about becoming a GEM member if you have any questions. I'm going to go ahead and fill out the rest of my information to have all of this jewelry sent to me and go ahead and place my order. And I cannot wait to show you guys what this piece will look like. Well, it's been 7 to 10 business days, and I'm so excited that my hand-stamped jewelry has arrived. I haven't opened it yet. I thought we'd do that together so you see what the order looks like when it comes right out of the box. Okay, so this is one of the things I love about Premier, is it all comes packaged and all wrapped together. So I'm gonna open it up. Let's go through each one of these boxes. So we're going to open it. Okay, here's the chain, the gold chain that I ordered. So that's there. Ooh, okay. Next is the April birthstone. All right. Ooh, okay, here next is the March birthstone. It's a little twisted. There we go. Okay, this is my first hand-stamped, or the first of the 2 hand-stamped pieces that I ordered. I'm going to take this one out of the bag. Let's take a look. Oh, look. Look how beautiful that is. It says love right there in the center. I love the feel of it, and you can tell it's been hand-stamped. You can see it, the imprint of it on the back. And then the last one I ordered was Mom. I'm actually really happy with how this one came out. So I had the little letters printed off to the side. I want to put the Mom piece so it goes right in the center. And I love this chain because it's easy to thread the necklace straight onto it. And look at that. I'm so glad that that worked out the way I hoped it would. So the 2 overlap, but they're not on top of each other, and you can read them both. And you know what I should have done? Oh, I can get it over the lobster claw. Perfect. I'm going to put one birthstone charm on one side for my son Daniel, and the charm on the other side. Oh, here we go. For my son Thomas. And there you have it. We have a beautiful hand-stamped piece. And I love the way you can read love and Mom And you can see the 2 birthstone charms are there as well. And I do really, really like this mixed metal look. I think it's really pretty. Now, what I really love about the charms that Premier has is that they're so easy to mix up or to, mix and match them. So what I am going to do is I'm going to pull some of these off. And I'm going to add on a different combination. So I'm an Army wife, and that is something that's really important to me. So I have our ribbon, our American ribbon charm, and I am going to put that with my love charm on my gold chain. And what's really great is that these charms can be used on any chain that you have at home. So even if you don't want to buy a chain because you already have one, these charms will be compatible with any chain that you already have. One of the things that I love about Premier's charm collection is that they're so easy to mix and match with each other. So it's easy to pull some pieces from the hand-stamped collection and other pieces from our engraving collection or pieces from our charm collection and really make a piece that's your own and that's special. And I love the way that Premier facilitates making these unique, one-of-a-kind pieces that really do keep it personal. Thank you guys for joining me for this how-to video on the hand stamp collection. If you have any questions for me or if there are any other how-to videos that you'd like to see, please leave a comment below so that I can see and I will try and get that video up for you. As always, leave a little bit of sparkle wherever you go and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.